Welcome to Data Shots, the podcast where we dive into the world of data. I'm your host, Dan Cox, and today we're exploring the essential topic of data management. As the inaugural episode, Data Shots is a subset of my Data Matters podcast. Data Shots are dedicated 2 to 5 minute shorts focused on definitions, disciplines, and technologies of data. For our first show, I will be setting up the overarching understanding of data management, and then subsequent Data Shot episodes will concentrate on a specific discipline and area. Well, let's get started. So what is exactly data management? In simple terms, data management is the practice of collecting, storing, organizing, and maintaining data to ensure its accuracy, accessibility, and security. It encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including data governance, data quality, data integration, and more than over 30 plus unique areas as suggested and segregated by analysts like Gartner and Forrester. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine a financial institution that handles vast amounts of customer data, transaction records, and market data. Effective data management ensures that this data is accurate, up-to-date, and easily accessible for analysis and decision making. It also ensures that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access. Now, why does data management matter in business? Well, it helps organizations to make informed decisions, improve operational efficiency, and comply with regulations. By managing data effectively, businesses can gain valuable insights, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. So how can businesses implement data management? Well, here's some practical steps. Number 1, build the data strategy. As part of an organization's business plan, a data strategy should be an integral and critical part woven throughout the ideology and vision, which should consist of why data is needed, what it should be used for, and who should have access for what reasons, and uncover internal analytical use, compliance and regulatory requirements, and external and third-party partnerships. Number 2, establish data governance. Create policies and procedures to ensure data quality, security, and compliance, which is in line with the data strategy. Number 3, invest in data quality management. Implement tools and processes to ensure data accuracy and consistency. Number 4, leverage data integration. Combine data from different sources to create unified view. Number 5, use data warehousing, master and reference data. Store and manage large and small volumes of data for analysis, reporting, and systems data. Number 6, implement data security measures. Protect data from unauthorized access and breaches, both from internal and external possibilities. Remember, cybersecurity is only the front gate or the perimeter wall. Data security encompasses many facets and strategies, which we'll get into in later episodes. And number 7, not last, but certainly very important, foster a data-driven culture. Encourage data literacy and promote the use of data in decision making. We'll delve into each of these areas in future episodes to get a better understanding of what each discipline is, how to implement, and what technologies are staples and trending. Speaking of technology, I'll be mentioning many different software platforms, software vendors, etc. I may not necessarily endorse them or recommend them, but they are tools to be able to help you with your data management processes and implementations. For example, data integration tools like Talent and Informatica help combine data from across many different various sources. Data quality management tools like Trifecta and Atacama ensure data accuracy and consistency. Master and reference data tools like TIBCO EBX include in. Data warehousing solutions like Snowflake and Amazon Redshift provide scalable storage and processing capabilities. In conclusion, data management is essential for any organization that wants to harness the power of data to drive business success. By implementing effective data management practices, businesses can ensure their data is accurate, secure, and used to achieve their goals. That's it for today's episode of Data Shots. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and leave a review. And if there is a topic you'd like me to cover or a term that you'd like me to explain, just let me know. Until next time, when we dive into data strategy, keep your data managed and your insights flowing. Have a great day.